Hi there, it's Brad with Splash Damage Tech. I'm back today with another video. This time, it's not about the Barnes & Noble Nook Tablet 10.1 inch. Today, I've got the closest competitor to it on the market, the Amazon Kindle Fire HD10. I picked this tablet up from Amazon's Black Friday sale just last week, so let's get it unboxed. Opening a package like this is so satisfying. I didn't even need to use a knife. Okay, so let's get started with what comes in the box. First thing you'll see is the tablet with this nice little tab to help you remove everything from the box. Now we've got some info cards. And then it looks like a short microUSB cable, as well as a wall charger. This one says 9 watts, and on closer inspection that's 5.2 volts at 1.8 amps. And that looks like everything you get in the box. Next, let's take this plastic off and have a look around the tablet. There's a front-facing camera up top, no visible ambient light sensor. Nothing on the bottom. On the right is a cover for the microSD card. On the left are some stereo speakers. And the top has a power button, microUSB input, microphone, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a volume rocker. On the back is the rear-facing camera, a slightly recessed glossy Amazon logo, and some regulatory info. Let's power it up and then go over some specs. This tablet is running Android 5.1.1 Lollipop in November of 2018. Android Lollipop came out in 2014, by the way. As of today, it's running Amazon's Fire OS 5.3.6.4 with a build date of November 12th, 2018. As for hardware, it's got a decently powerful, if a bit old, MediaTek MT8173. That's a quad-core with 2 ARM Cortex A72s running at 1.8 GHz and 2 ARM Cortex A53s at 1.4 GHz. The GPU is a PowerVR G6250, and that's all paired with 2 GB of RAM. The onboard storage is your choice of 32 or 64 GB. I've got the 32 GB model here, and I have about 21.7 GB free on the first boot. The screen is a 10.1 inch IPS LCD with a resolution of 1920 by 1200. Wi-Fi is pretty good here too. 802.11 A, B, G, N, and AC with both 2.4 and 5 GHz support. Bluetooth is 4.1 spec with low energy support. The tablet also has 2 cameras. The rear-facing camera is 2 megapixel and can shoot at 720p, while the front camera just says VGA, and I'm guessing that means 640 by 480. There are also 2 speakers that play in stereo on the left or bottom of the tablet, depending on how you hold it, and the battery is listed at 3,830 mAh. Well, that's all for this one. I hope you enjoyed this short little unboxing of this Amazon Kindle Fire HD10. If you found it useful, I'd appreciate a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you'd like to see more. Coming up next, I've got some benchmarks on this Kindle Fire, and shortly after that, some back-to-back comparisons with the Nook tablet 10.1 inch. Thanks for watching and have a great day.